Hello, in today's video I'll demonstrate all three purposes of the spatula for your ThermoMix TM7. The first and most obvious one is either mixing manually in your bowl or removing some ingredients from the walls of the mixing bowl. Now the other one is available with this hook. It is there to easily remove the simmering basket from your bowl. You can see if I put the simmering basket in, I can use the hook to hook it on the simmering basket and then easily remove it without burning my fingers with a hot basket. Also, there's like no handle here, so it'd be difficult, especially if you have water in the mixing bowl. Now let me show you in detail how to attach it here. There's this hole right here, and from the other side you just have to kind of hook onto it, and that's how you can do it. Another option is when it's in the mixing bowl, you can use the spatula in order to open it. You can see this hole right here. You can use it in order to open so that you can look inside or mix with your spatula and not burn your fingers. Now let me show you one interesting thing that I learned very recently, which is the bottom of your spatula. It has this like cutout here. It is a special trick for releasing dough. If you're kneading dough, like a pizza dough for example, you may want to remove it, and often it is difficult. It gets stuck in between the knives, and what you can do is flip it over like that on a table. And now once it's flipped over, you can use this part to attach it to your knife from the bottom and then start twisting it. Once you start twisting it, the dough will be released and will automatically fall out of the mixing bowl. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.